After the success of the Majhe Ghar Yojana, the Goa cabinet has approved another landmark housing reform. Announced by Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant in the 2026-27 state budget, the Mazo Flat Scheme will bring relief to flat owners who purchased homes decades ago but never received conveyance deeds.
मज़ो फ्लैट ये स्कीम आज हमने गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से लॉन्च की है। इस जो 40 साल बने हुए फ्लैट्स जिनमें जो लैंड ओनर या बिल्डर्स इसके बीच में जो प्रॉब्लम्स थे, उन्होंने क्लियर टाइटल या लैंड टाइटल उनको तब नहीं दिया था, उन सभी लोगों को उनका क्लियर टाइटल मिलेगा।
Under the Mazo Flat Scheme, eligible flat owners can form cooperative housing societies which can seek unilateral deemed conveyance through the cooperative department. When the process is complete, the land will be transferred to the housing society, giving residents clear legal ownership of their homes.
This scheme is going to bring benefits to so many people across who have been having long pending issues relating to legal matters or builder related, and this is going to get the flats on their own name. After all the hard money that they've invested in the flats, after having difficulties getting the flats on their name, I request all Goans to participate and go and submit your documents and get the flat registered under your name, which is rightfully yours.
Beneficiaries will pay a one-time registration fee of 10,000 rupees and a nominal stamp duty of 1,000 rupees. To streamline the process, the government has approved amendments to the Goa Cooperative Societies Act, the Indian Stamp Act and related revenue rules. The scheme not only resolves pending ownership disputes but also clears the way for redevelopment of aging apartment complexes.
This game-changing legislation ordinance has come into effect, and I must thank the whole full cabinet chaired by Dr. Pramod Sawant for bringing this legislation, which should be a game changer in the field of cooperative housing.
For thousands of Goan families, the Mazo Flat Scheme is about more than just legal ownership. It brings certainty to a lifetime of investment and ensures that the homes they built their lives around have the legal recognition and security they have awaited for decades.